Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'd like to buy some fresh fruit, please. Your stand looks amazing. Everything looks so fresh.
Thank you. We just got a new shipment of fruits this morning. What are you interested in today?
I'm looking for some apples and maybe a few bananas. What kind of apples do you have?
We have Fuji apples, which are sweet and crisp, and Granny Smith apples, which are a bit tart. Both are very fresh.
I think I'll go with the Fuji apples. They sound perfect. How much are they?
They're $3 per pound. How many would you like?
I'll take 2 pounds, please. And could you add a few bananas? How much are they?
Bananas are $1 per pound. How many would you like?
Just 1 pound, please. Also, do you recommend any other fruits that are in season?
Certainly. The strawberries are very sweet this season, and the oranges are also popular right now.
That sounds great. I'll add a ½ pound of strawberries, please.
Of course. So that's 2 pounds of Fuji apples, 1 pound of bananas, and ½ pound of strawberries. Will that be all?
Yes, thank you. How much is everything?
Let's see. That comes to $9.50.
Perfect. Here's $10.
Thank you. Here's your change, and I've packed everything carefully for you.
I appreciate it. Thank you for your help and the recommendations.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your fruit and have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you again.